Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show and hide Microsoft Excel Sheet tab. Sometimes people face the issue of their Excel worksheet Sheet tab hidden. By default, this Sheet tab has been enabled. But sometimes people hide this worksheet tab without knowledge. In this situation, how they can enable Excel worksheet tab? Let's learn how you can do this. In my Excel sheet, I have a 3 worksheet, but unexpectedly the tab has been hidden. So in this situation, I have to enable the hide sheet tab. So we have to go to File. Here we have to click on the options. It will be open the Excel option window. Then you have to click on the Advanced. Then you have to scroll down. So under the display option for this workbook section, you have to enable the show sheet tabs. Once enabled, you have to click on OK. Now you can check it out. The tab sheet has been enabled. You can check the other tabs. So in this way, you can hide and show the Microsoft Excel sheet tab. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.